Awesomesaurus Rexes! That's right, your Awesomesaurus Rexes. Awesome Tyrannosaurus Rexes. Hey, it's me, it's Brother Alan. We got another weekly walkthrough, a world-famous weekly walkthrough. We got the BYUI shirt on. Let's go. Let's talk about, we're on week 5 this week. And let's talk about what assignments we got going on. Let's dig right in. Let's go. So, 2 assignments for midweek, 3 assignments for end of the week. We got looking at student samples. I don't know about you, but I can't write anything unless I see what other people have done before. So, looking at mentor text, really important for me. And then you got a discussion for midweek. You'll finish it up, the end of the week. Your initial post will be due on Wednesday. And then you got a quiz. You're going to analyze your speech, and then there's a feedback in assignment, which I don't actually get to see because, I get to see your feedback later, but I don't have access to this assignment because it's just for the students. All right, so let's talk about what we have to do. So this assignment, due in the middle of the week, you're going to look at 2 sample essays, right? And one of the sample essays is a really, really good one. One of them is less effective. It looks like this when you open it up. And this first one is the really, really good one. This one's super effective. It's written really, really well. They do everything right. They have citations. They have everything they're supposed to have. They have a works cited page, references, right? They got all of it. And then this one is what they say less effective, which means they didn't do as a good a job, right? And you're going to be analyzing these 2 speeches to try and help you to understand what you need to do in your rhetorical analysis. There's an evaluation down here. There's a chart that you got to fill in. And then you're going to write 4 to 5 sentences, reflection at the end, right? When you're all done, you turn this in, and this is a pretty involved rubric. It's 18.5 points, but I got to see all this stuff, right? I need to see that you're doing annotating, you're answering the questions, you're looking at how it's organized, paragraphs, tone, you're doing that reflection at the end to get your full points. You're getting the majority of points from annotating and from doing that reflection at the end. And just like I've shown you before, you can do this right in Canvas because this is the student view. It shows you this student annotation window, and you can just use these annotating tools up here. And then when you're all done, you just come down and click the submit button. Really easy. So easy. All right, so that's that first one, due Wednesday. Here's the second thing you're doing this week is you're doing a discussion. You're going to go back and you're going to check out that 3 I's, right? I love that article. It's so good. And you're going to read this 3 I's, how to integrate sources. That looks like this. How to integrate sources. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to select a quote from your speech that you're choosing to analyze, that you want to do some work with in your rhetorical analysis. And you're going to compose a post where you show us that you know how to introduce a quote and integrate it effectively into a sentence. You're going to post that by Wednesday. Then you're going to respond to 2 classmates by the end of the week, which is Saturday. And you got to remember that your responses are a big part of these discussions, and there's no due date for them because you already did the due date, but by Saturday, you need to respond to at least 2. Okay. Then you have a quiz. This is all about using pronouns in this paper because it's an academic essay, so we don't use first person in it. We use the academic third person. So it has a whole bunch of handouts and stuff, videos, explanations, and then you're going to take the quiz. The quiz, like all of them, is open book, 6 points, and you get to take it as many times as you want. We're going to keep the highest score. Everybody should get 6 points. So easy. Then you're going to analyze your speech. This is where the big work happens for this rhetorical analysis. And so you're going to download this structure and rhetoric worksheet. I think that this is fantastic. So the first thing you're going to do with this is you're going to look at your speech and you're going to create a reverse outline. I love this. So you're going to take it paragraph by paragraph, the speech that you've chosen, and you're going to talk about what they are doing in each paragraph. And you're going to map it out. That's going to help you a lot to see how they are organizing their thoughts, what things are they focusing on, what rhetorical devices are they using. And then you're going to fill out this chart, and you're going to talk about the rhetorical devices, right, for your speech. They have given you an example one that got really high marks. So you can see that they've broken it down each paragraph. And this speech had 20 paragraphs, right? They give you all this stuff, right? This is first reason, historical background. This is the introduction. This is connects to the past and now. And then they discuss underneath kind of what's going on in each of these paragraphs. And then they talk about the rhetorical strategies, the rhetorical devices that they found. Awesome that you have that example. So this is worth 20 points. You're going to write that up and you're going to upload it. The rubric says that we're looking that you did that reverse outline. That's 10 points. And did you do the rhetorical devices? That's 10 points. So there's that. And then that's it. That's all. All of week 5. That was super easy. So let's just go back and let's review. Yeah, there it is. So you got those 2 things midweek, and you got these 3 things end of week. One of them isn't really even that big. You just have to do feedback for me. All right, so that's it. That was really easy. Short video. I hope you have a fantastic week, brothers and sisters. You just keep plugging along, and Heavenly Father is going to bless you. I know it. We'll see you later. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.